Nestled in the heart of a forgotten town stood an unassuming hair salon with an eerie reputation. Spirits and Styles was no ordinary establishment. It was a place where the living and the dead converged. Inside, a group of gifted hairdressers doubled as mediums, possessing the unique ability to communicate with spirits. They catered exclusively to the deceased, offering ethereal makeovers for lingering souls. The salon buzzed with whispers and secrets from beyond the grave. One gloomy afternoon, Emily, a young medium with a talent for unraveling the stories of the departed, received an unusual request. A spirit, shrouded in melancholy, sought her services. As she styled the ghostly locks, memories flooded her mind. The spirit's name was Sarah, a young woman who had vanished under mysterious circumstances. Sarah's ethereal presence manifested in the mirror, her voice a soft, haunting melody. She revealed hidden secrets and a tale of betrayal, her message a plea for justice from the other side. As Emily listened, she uncovered a sinister truth. Sarah had been lured to her death by a malevolent presence. Emily vowed to bring her restless spirit peace. Word spread throughout the town, and Spirits and Styles became a haven for the deceased. Hairdressers doubled as mediums, their chairs becoming conduits to the afterlife. Each day, they uncovered forgotten stories, righting wrongs and offering closure. But the salon held more secrets than it revealed. The spectral encounters left their mark on the living mediums, who grew paler with each passing day. As they unraveled the mysteries of the dead, they became increasingly intertwined with the spirits they served, their fates forever bound to the eerie world of Spirits and Styles.